एलिमिनेशन घाट का बात के बारे में बोलता है, श्मशान घाट के बारे में। उधर 3 बॉडी पड़ा हुआ था, लेकिन उसका पहले ही हमारा लड़की का बॉडी जला दिया गया।
সিপি ওই দিন পুরো দিন হসপিটাল ছিলেন, আপনারাও ছিলেন, ওনার ভূমিকা নিয়ে কি বলবেন? উনি আমাদের সঙ্গে কোনো সহযোগিতা করেননি, বরং কেসটা মানে পুরো যাতে তাড়াতাড়ি করে মিটিয়ে দেওয়া যায় সেই চেষ্টাই করছিলেন। যেরকম তাড়াতাড়ি পোস্টমর্টম হয়ে যাবে, তাড়াতাড়ি বডি নিয়ে পুড়িয়ে দেবেন।
अन्याय हुआ है, परिवार के खिलाफ, समाज के खिलाफ अन्याय हुआ है और इसको रेक्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा। दबाव डालना वो मेरा काम है। मैं यहाँ पीछे नहीं हटूंगा।
Well, there you heard it, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, taking a strong stand against injustice. He is speaking out boldly, not mincing in words when it comes to raising his voice against what is wrong, and not just for one family, but for the entire society. Surrounded by media, Rahul Gandhi thunders, and it is my job to build the pressure to ensure justice is delivered. This is what he said while addressing the media, and he's right when he says he will stand with the victim's family till the justice is delivered. He's right when he says he will not bow down before the pressure, because that is what we expect from a responsible politician. Now remember, he spoke on a day when even the Supreme Court was forced to say that it was shocked by the brutality in Calcutta's R.G. Kar Medical College. That is where the rape and murder incident took place, and that this is a moment of a national catharsis. Apex Court also pulled up the Calcutta police and also the West Bengal government for laxities, and also questioned the Mamta Sarkar for its conduct as far as the entire case is concerned. However, if you thought that Rahul Gandhi in the sequence that we just played out, and his outburst was for the 31-year-old doctor in Calcutta who was inflicted with 16 external injuries and 9 internal injuries, who was raped and murdered, you unfortunately do not understand the nature of politics in India, because the man who has long been touted as a champion of the social justice and equality, speaks of women empowerment, Dalit rights, as well as minority welfare, thought that those expecting him to demand answer from the Mamta Sarkar as far as the rape and murder of the 31-year-old trainee doctor is concerned was in fact trying to distract him. So this was a reaction of Rahul Gandhi as far as the rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor is concerned. When asked question in fact, Uttar Pradesh, where he was at, he said that this is a mere distraction, is the response that has come from Rahul Gandhi, and this in fact remains the stand of the Congress party as well. As soon as he was asked about his in fact demands from the Mamta Sarkar, he said that this was a bit to distract. Remember, this comes on the day when Supreme Court in fact pulled up not just the Mamta government but also police in the state of West Bengal.
कोलकाता भैया, यहाँ पे मैं इस इंसिडेंट में आया हूँ। मैंने कोलकाता के इंसिडेंट पे अपनी टिप्पणी करी है, अपने व्यू रखे हैं। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ इनका मामला उठाने आया हूँ।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा है कि अपना प्रोटेस्ट एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आपका क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपना स्ट्राइक एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आप
भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ। आप, मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
Well, his pain and support were for Arjun Pasi, a youth shot dead in Raebareli in Uttar Pradesh, where the bypolls are due. Now, why did only this injustice merit Rahul Gandhi's attention? Here's the answer.
दलित परिवार है, इसीलिए ये हो रहा है। दलित परिवार है, इसीलिए ये हो रहा है। दलित परिवार है, इसीलिए ये हो रहा है। दलित परिवार है, इसीलिए ये हो रहा है।
But Rahul Gandhi is not the only one who's running away from, in fact, taking accountability. In a telling sequence from Calcutta as well, an ASI was also seen literally sprinting to avoid answering uncomfortable questions. This is the ASI that you can see on your screen, who's sprinting right now. And he's the ASI rank officer Anup Datta, who shared his room with the prime accused Sanjay Roy. When he was summoned by the Central Bureau of Investigation, the media asked him about his closeness with Sanjay. His response was that you can see on your screens right now. He was seen sprinting, and this clearly shows that actions speak louder than the words. And this is the sequence that you can see on your screens right now. This is a close aid of one of the main accused in this case, who can be seen running away when asked questions.
বাবু অনুবাবু একটু দাঁড়িয়ে যান পড়ে যাবেন দাঁড়িয়ে যান বলে দিতে কি হচ্ছে সঞ্জয়কে কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন আস্তে যান পড়ে যাবেন দাদা পড়ে যাবেন আস্তে নিচে বাবু অনুবাবু একটু দাঁড়িয়ে যান পড়ে যাবেন দাঁড়িয়ে যান বলে দিতে কি হচ্ছে সঞ্জয়কে কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন
However, as the pressure builds, Calcutta Police has suspended 2 assistant commissioners and an inspector for ransacking at the RG Kar Hospital. Remember, it took place on 15th August, on the day of the Independence Day. All 3 have been suspended for the failure to prevent the vandalism and held responsible for not taking the measures to prevent hooligans. Now, a departmental inquiry has also been started against them as far as the vandalism is concerned at the RG Kar Hospital. My colleague Sabya joins us live on the broadcast. Sabya, we're learning that Calcutta Police has suspended 3 officers because they in fact failed to prevent the vandalism that took place on the day of the Independence Day. Give us more details.
The police has suspended 2 assistant commissioner ranked officer and an inspector, and all 3 have been suspected for failure to prevent the vandalism in RG Kar Medical College and hospital, and they have been held responsible for not taking proper measures to prevent hooliganism, and a departmental inquiry would start against them. See, the Calcutta Police has come under severe criticism after the RG Kar midnight vandalism took place, whether it is the Calcutta High Court or in fact the Supreme Court. Both of them have told the Calcutta Police that it is a failure of the Calcutta Police and in their part that they could not stop a mob of around 7,000 people to gather in front of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital with sticks and hockey sticks in their hand, with one motto to vandalize the protest and also the area of the crime scene. Now, the Calcutta High Court in their statement has clearly stated that if the Kolkata Police is making the claim that the area of the crime scene is not vandalized, then the Calcutta Police need to submit an affidavit with their claim in it and also the pictures of the area of crime. So clearly a lot of criticism has come towards the Calcutta Police regarding the midnight vandalism, as well as Supreme Court has asked the Kolkata Police to submit its report till 22nd, and also around from the Calcutta Police side, around 37 of the accused have been arrested so far.
Well, also, and politics has also peaked over this entire incident. Sabyasachi, we heard the reaction coming from Rahul Gandhi. He said that this is a bit to distract. What is Bharatiya Janata Party saying on this, in fact, the reaction of Rahul Gandhi?
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP has launched a scathing attack on Mr. Rahul Gandhi after he steered clear from speaking on the Calcutta rape and murder case during a protest in Raebareli. Rahul Gandhi said that I have come here to support the family of the victim. I will not let you distract me from this matter. I will speak on Kolkata doctor rape and murder case later. Coming after that, the BJP has expressed really shock on Mr. Gandhi's statements, stating that it is shocking beyond imagination that when asked about the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital case, which is a clear-cut case of institutional cover-up where the Mamata Banerjee government have been slammed by no less than the Supreme Court for standing not with the daughter but with the accused, and the rapist, and the entire nation is demanding justice. And Rahul Gandhi says that don't ask me about this, it is a distraction. So clearly the BJP has hit out at Mr. Rahul Gandhi, calling him a spineless creature.
So the Bharatiya Janata Party has launched a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi for stating that this is a bit to distract. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now we're shifting our focus